Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mahogany, and today I'm coming at you with a Gucci unboxing, a Versace haul, a Kate Spade haul, and I even have a Jimmy Choo perfume I bought and saved, like opening it, just so I can show you guys and do like a smell test, because I couldn't do a smell test at the store I bought it from because COVID, they really don't want you to take your mask off. So I just bought it on a whim because it was on sale. But yeah, if you're into designer hauls and unboxings, stay tuned. And if you like this video, just, leave me a comment, like the video, subscribe, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys are these Versace shoes that I got at that at the Ingolstadt Village here in Germany. I've been there a couple times. I've bought a few things and showed you guys stuff I bought from there. I actually have a short on my my short playlist of the Ingolstadt Village of the MCM there. And a few weeks ago I went to the Versace store, not really looking for anything in particular. I just, was looking, and I came across these sneakers that, just the style of the sneakers. I've been wanting a particular like sneaker like that, like the style of it. It didn't really matter the particular brand, but when I seen the sneakers at Versace, I just had to have them. I actually got lucky and got like the last pair of these shoes in my size, and I love them. So yep, and I haven't even put them up yet. I've been waiting just to, make a video about it. But it came in this huge bag. This huge, I don't even think you guys can even see how big the bag is, but it came in this huge Versace bag. Big bag, and let me pull it out for you. It's heavy. Okay. See if I can give you the name of these sneakers, the exact name. So they're from an outlet mall, and they're not like the latest shoes. I actually got these on sale. They took off $87.50 because they were having a. If you're in Germany and you're in Bavaria, they're having a huge sale at Ingolstadt Village. I think it's still going on. And I got $87.50 taken off. And all it says is sneaker fabric, calf leather, and the price. Yeah, I don't know the exact name of these, but they're cute. This is the box. And got like the authentication card with it. I got a dust bag with it, which I love. Love dust bags. I think this dust, I was trying to say I think it might be too small, but it was folded up. So I got the dust bag. And look at these guys. I haven't looked at these since I bought them. They're cute. They're super cute. I didn't notice there's like some little stain right here. I don't know, maybe because they just been sitting for so long. But these are the shoes. They're like the cool, like high top, like foamy look that's in right now. And they're like, I don't even know how to describe this orange. It's like a highlighter orange, gray, like fat feet. Like these are like really cool. Really cool. I got them at a really good price. The inside of it says Versace. Yeah, just seen them. I had to have them, and I got them. And I got them on a good sale. So really happy about these. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is also from Ingolstadt Village, and I've also had this for a really long time. I just didn't know when I wanted to show you guys or how I wanted to show you guys. And I was just like, you know what? I'm making a video today. Might as well just finally show you guys. Okay, let me get it. And it's this Kate Spade. Came in this cute little 4-string Kate Spade bag. And let me see. Well, this is the viral TikTok purse. And I also got like these pearl gumdrop studs that are like, have a little bit of gold outlined it. And I also got a bracelet too. So everything, the jewelry was on sale when I bought this purse. And she said, the saleswoman told me at the time, like, oh my gosh, everybody tried to buy this purse in the States and they just like sold out immediately when this purse became viral on TikTok. So I was like, oh, that's cool. But even before I knew that, I was like, oh my gosh, this purse is so cute. And here she is. That's the back. This is the front. Cute little crossbody. Very cute. A long strap. Heart crossbody. Inside, I can definitely fit quite a bit. It just has like the verification and all that. And yeah, it's just so cute. I love this purse. So happy to have it. And I think I already wore the pearl earrings in a video. I think I wore it in when I was showing you guys my Havapoo puppy shooter, and I was doing like a Gucci accessories haul, and I had those cute pearl earrings. But this is the bracelet I got from them, and I love, like, first I was just going in there because I really love Kate Spade's earrings. Like their earrings are just so cute, and they're like they're pricey for it not to be like super high-end jewelry, but it's like quality jewelry. Like they make some of their jewelry with like 14 karat gold and like sterling and like Swarovski crystals. It's really worth it. And let me try to put this on so you guys can see the little flower. But I haven't even worn this. I was waiting to make a video about it. But this is a bracelet. The bracelet I got with that. Super cute. Okay, so next I'm going to be showing you guys the perfume I got like last month. I went to the Douglas, which is like the Sephora here, or like a Alton. I say a Sephora because Ulta is really like for hair and stuff, really. Like it does have makeup stuff, but this place is like really just majority makeup. And it's more like Ulta because they don't have Fenty and they have like Kylie products. But I went there a few months ago. It was in June because it was my sister's birthday and they were having a big sale, and I bought her blue. What is that perfume I bought her? Dolce & Gabbana, I think. I don't know. I think it was Dolce & Gabbana. It was like a little gift set, and it was like 30 euro. And I also got this Jimmy Choo Eau Toilet. And I never seen it like this. So like a vaporator natural spray. And I just have opened it like this far. I haven't taken it all out, but I was like, okay, this Jimmy Choo, it's $30. I'm gonna get it, like, you know, add it to my collection. So let's see what it's smelling like. It came in this little classic, like, cute 80s style, like glass bottle, like simple, cute. Let's spray it. I could already smell it. Let me just let it set in for a little bit. Get my arm muscles working. Oh, it smells good. It smells like floral. Floral but sweet. It smells really good, guys. It smells so good. I don't even know. I mean, it's just called Jimmy Choo. That's the name of it. 30 euro. Such a good price. Smells really good. So, if you see this perfume, I think it might be out because, you know, it was on sale for so much cheaper than the other Jimmy Choo perfumes I've seen in the Douglas. So, you guys should cop it. Smells really good. So, it came in this box. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is this Gucci bag. It came in this box. I just got it yesterday. Well, I got it on the 4th. So I got it on Tuesday. And it was not even the 4th. It was supposed to come on the 4th, but I got it on the 3rd. So it came in on Tuesday. I ordered it, I think, on Sunday. That's why I love, like, living in Europe, because typically, like, when I ordered something from Burberry, it came in within, like, 4 days. When I order stuff from Gucci, it comes within, like, 2 days. So, I love that. So, let me just unbox this bad boy, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so it came in the typical forest green boxing. They haven't switched up the boxing yet, but I'm not complaining. Oh, wow, what's this? Oh, I got some free samples. Sorry, guys. Gucci Flora. They sent me, like, a sample of the Gucci Flora perfume. Got another dust bag. It's like my 15th one. Got the authentication cards right here. So, okay, let's get to it. So, package really nice. Still has the bow on it. Okay, let me open it for you guys. First time me seeing it in person. Of course, it has another brown dust bag this time. And here she is. This is really cute. Kind of dented up. I might take it back. Right, look at that right there. What's that? Let me open it. But a GG Supreme fanny pack. I think it's like a men's bag, but I think it's like unisex, because fanny packs are really in. It has this little pouch right here where I can keep like my ID, loose change, like wallet, if I'm wearing like a smaller wallet. It has this bigger pouch or pocket right here. I don't know what we're going to do about this dented part. I might have to call him. Not feeling that. But yeah, styrofoam all in it. Or paper in it. And it's like medium size. It's not like super big, but it's big enough for a fanny pack. And there she is. I'm gonna work on this strap outside of the camera, so just wait 1 second.